How does generative AI work? Have you ever used AI to help answer a question? You put your question into a text field, hit enter, and the answer appears on your screen. In this video, you will learn more about generative AI and large language models. When using generative AI, your input plays a central role in generating your desired output. Input is also known as prompting. To understand how a tool is able to handle your prompt in the first place, we have to go back and look at the technology on which these tools are based. Some forms of generative AI use a type of technology called a large language model, or LLM. LLMs are trained on huge amounts of data. For AI tools that generate text, this data can be books, articles, websites, blog posts, and more. Keep in mind that the data comes from a wide range of sources and that the quality also varies. Data like books and articles are in natural language, but LLMs cannot immediately process this type of language. During the training, natural language is split into smaller units called tokens, which can be whole words or word fragments. Tokens are then converted into a sequence of numbers called vectors. Vectors can be read by the AI tool to interpret and perform mathematical operations on words. The LLM then arranges vectors in an embedding space, grouping related concepts together. Related words like book and library are placed closer together as opposed to words like book and hiking. This is aided by transformers and the self-attention mechanism. Each token looks at the other tokens to determine what is relevant in a specific context. The model does this for all the data it has been trained on. This is not just an automated process, the model is also refined by human trainers. The LLM assigns probability to the tokens. This makes the model predict which word comes next when generating output. The output that is generated depends on the settings of the model. The model could, for example, choose a safer answer based on statistics or a more creative answer. In some models, you can set the so-called temperature of the tool, telling it to be stricter or to be more creative with its answers. When you enter a prompt into an AI tool, it follows the same process as explained, only in this case, the process is applied to your specific prompt. Take, for example, "I'm going to book a trip. Can you help me with suggestions?" The words in your prompt get converted into tokens and vectors. The vectors can be used by the LLM to predict the most probable word. The prediction is made according to the training data. The LLM constructs the response, generating sentences word by word, giving you the output. In this video, we've shown you how generative AI has been trained and turns your prompt into output, giving you a basic understanding of how generative AI works.